Hello everyone, we are Shanghai Greenpack Packaging. We specialize in manufacturing filling machine, packaging machine, and labeling machine. Our products goes everywhere. We have exported to more than 80 different countries, and we are founded in 2002, have more than 23 years of experience in the industry. Right now, what you're looking at is HC400 zipper machine. So let's come here and take a look. This is a dual film roll system, which make it actually much easier to replace the film roll. Since our machine can be used for fluid packaging, we need to make sure the hygiene meets the standard. That's why we have this UV light serialization. So as you can see here, it will kill all the bacteria, I'm sure. And since our product runs at a very high speed, it can pack 80 to 90 packages per minute. So some misalignment could happen in such a high speed. That's why we have this automatic adjustment system. So as you can see here, to make sure the film is always centered in the middle. And then we have the zipper unit, which inserts the zipper into the bag. And then it will go through all three different selling parts. We have bottom selling, vertical selling, and zipper selling. After that, we have this cooling machine. Since the film is at a very high temperature after the selling, we need to make sure we cool it down and to make sure everything is smooth without rough edges. That's what it do. And after that, we go to the filling machine. Our filling machine can film different type of material. Depends on what you need. You can fill liquid, granules, and powder. Depends on what type of material you want. We can pick different filling device and it all works perfectly. So our product will be perfect for many different industries such as food industry, pharmaceutical, and all of that. So as you can see, this is the package right here. Thank you.